Okay, wait a minute. What's up, YouTube? This is KolorPop Designz, and I am back with an overdue video, like really overdue, way past overdue, but we're gonna get it right. And in fact, this video reminds me why it's taking me so long to post a video, because you got to do the setup, the lights, all just too much. Okay, but we're gonna make it right. What we're gonna do today, we are going to make a Christmas ornament tree with ornament balls, these kind right here. And these are repurposed from a long time ago. I don't use them anymore. I changed my decor up so much or whatever that I just don't even use this color anymore in my color scheme. So I'm going to repurpose this, and I'm going to cover this whole thing with Christmas balls, and we're going to make it real cute. And what you're going to need is glue sticks. You're going to need a hot glue gun. You're going to need some large balls, and depending on what you're trying to do, how wide, how big will determine how many of these you need. I didn't know how much I needed, so I went ahead and just eyeballed it. I just got 3 kind of big ones. These are some small ones. I got about 3 of those, and then I have these real extra small ones, and I end up one minute. So if I run out of balls, your girl picked up a big tub of these things, so I ain't gonna have nothing to worry about. And then, just in case the white and green is showing through, got some gold Christmas garland, and you'll just kind of fill this in among the cracks where it will show like whatever it is you're not trying to show. Let's get started. One thing I forgot to advise is that all these decorations, with the exception of this big tub of ornament balls, everything is from the Dollar Tree. Okay? Everything. Except for these. Now you can find the cones, styrofoam cones at Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, but I ain't need to do that. All this stuff is $1. You know what I mean? Gotta be on the budget. You know? So let's cut to the chase. So I want to say to all my new subscribers, thank you for following me. And if you are new to this channel, and if you are trying to get some inspiration, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And let's get on with this video. So what I'm trying to do right now, y'all see that this ornament is not sticking to the green tree. It's not working. You see the caption, sis, it's not working. Okay, so I had to improvise. Thank God I had some other cone tree like structures that I was able to use, such as this green one here. So I'm going to make this work, because clearly that other one was not working. So what you want to do, you want to go ahead and just take your hot glue gun and glue them things on. And what I find to work the best is when you glue your first ornament down, which sets it as the base. When you do the second and third ones, make sure you're gluing them like together, like ornament to ornament, in addition to gluing it to the cone. And I find that that works best as far as in making sure that they stay on and they don't fall off. So that's what I'm going to keep doing. I'm just going to keep going around and around and around. And then once I get to my second layer, I will put the ornaments in between ornaments. And you'll see how I do that in just a second. So while I'm speeding this video up for you guys, I just want to know down in the comments, what type of decor items or ideas have you guys done? I know every year I change up on my wrapping paper in addition to my home decor. This year I'm doing like a blush rose gold type of theme. So I just want to know, like, what do you guys do, you know, to make sure that your decor stands out? Because I know I like for my decor to stand out. You know, it's my extra intuition, I guess, within myself. So as you can see, I have about 4 layers on with the tree. And don't worry about the holes in this clip right here, because I'm gonna fill that in with all of those smaller ornaments, and you'll get to see right now how I'm just going to fill that in. And whatever else is peeping through so that you don't see the green, don't worry about that as well, because you know, while we bought that that gold garland, we're going to go ahead and like kind of, you know, poke those in there, and you'll see that later on in the video. But I just wanted you guys to I can't talk today. Damn. Shit. Sorry. What is going on? It's like 6 in the morning and I'm trying to do voiceovers and it's not working for me. But anyway, hell, I forgot what the hell I was saying. I gotta go back and see what I was talking about. But anyway, you guys see, I'm just going to go ahead and fill it in until I get to the top. Again, don't worry about the big green areas, because we're going to fill those in with the small ornament balls, and then anything else that is peeping through, we're going to cover it with the gold garland. We just kind of got to stick it in there. So keep watching. Don't get discouraged. You can do it. Okay, so I have the gold garland, y'all. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply just going to cut strands of this garland in any place that I see a lot of green that I don't want that to show. I'm just going to hot glue it right in those areas. Easy peasy. And you'll see how I do that. As you can see, I'm not really measuring how much garland I want to put in between the ornaments. I'm just kind of eyeballing it, so you can just make your own judgment on where to place the garland, or whatever it is that you want to hide the color of the foam. Okay guys, so I just want to say I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this tutorial to make your own cone Christmas tree, what have you. If you think it was pretty awesome, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys at the next video. Babe, you're distracting me.
I ain't paying no attention.
You ain't paying me no attention?
I'm
What? Babe, get out of my video. Your voice is in the video.